So now I'm going to show you how to mount the sample to the stage. Okay. After you check the pressure here, is the intro is come to the atmosphere. It's ready to open the exchange chamber window. Okay, which is here. Okay, this cover. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we come to here. Okay, so remove the cover just by lifting it and place it on this piece of paper. Okay, yeah. After that, I would like to show you what inside look like. Okay, if you pay attention there are kind of it's like a fork and the two fingers there. In between the two fingers, there are a screw. Okay, you see the screw. Okay, so I need you to remember earlier I mentioned when you load the sample, there's only one position to load. So you have to make sure your screw is meeting the dimple region and the door is facing the main chamber, which is this side. Okay. I'm going to make sure whether I can have a place to mount the phone so I can show you what to do. I'm going to pause the video recording a little bit. So now, okay, we need to carry the sample holder to the intro chamber. So use this tool, okay, the tongue here, and you grab the side, okay, slide it out. Okay, so normally I grab in this way. If you look at here, it has the door, okay, and then in the back is the dimple region, okay, you can see it, right? Let me show you again. Okay, that's okay. All right, so when you carry it, you make sure, I normally use my left hand to protect, okay? So you carry it to the exchange chamber. So now, I'm trying to adjust the phone so we can see it. Okay, this is the best position I can put at the moment. So what you need, you see here, the screw, which is the pointer early. This is two fingers. Okay. So you need to make sure the door is facing the main chamber, this side. The back of the door, which is here, a little bit dimple region, okay? You need to, here, you need to touch the screw. So after that, we need to mount the sample. So I grab in this way, so I can see, okay? Make sure the door is facing the main chamber. I double check, okay? It's like this, okay? Put it down, okay? All right, so try to position the camera so we can see. Oh, let me do it again. it better here? Okay, this is much better. Okay, let me show you again. So, all right. So you see this door, you make sure facing the main chamber, and the back of screw, yeah, the back of the dimple region, you need touching the screw. So how we do that? So I make sure the direction is correct, orientation is correct. So I drop down the holder to make this lower surface, okay? It's about the height of the screw, okay, which is here. So I drop down around there, so you can see, okay? Then I just slide it in, okay? So if you're in the right place, you can rotate the holder about 10 degrees. Okay, you can rotate a little bit, another larger angle. You can feel the rotation is smooth, okay? You can do the rotation. Because the screw is touching the dimple region, they have little room for it to rotate. Okay, so after that, okay, you just need to make sure the two sides of cutting, which is here and here, I need parallel to this rod. So if you happen to rotate far away, it's a little bit, it's not much difference, okay? So it's acceptable. But however, if you did not locate in mounting something in the right way, you maybe come to this angle. This is definitely not right, okay? You have to make sure you make around this the surface height, okay? Then that's the right place, okay? So this is not good, okay? Let me do it again. So after that, carefully, after you make sure, so now if you look at the whole surface, okay, it's flat, not tilted to any side. And if you look at this parting, it's nearly parallel to this rod, okay? So if you look at, after you use this, after you place your sample, we replace these two here, okay? Not beyond this black ring here. All right, so I'm going to show you, after you mount sample, it should look like this, okay? Yeah, the two sides is parallel and it's almost symmetric. So I'm a little bit off, so I'm going to rotate a little bit. So make sure it's, yeah. So this looks good to me. Okay, this is just camera angle. So after that, I will see from the side window, which is here. Okay, if you look at, you have side window here. So we look at from this window. I need you to pay attention to see whether you can see the screw. It's a bit dark here, but we can see if I zoom in. What you see is here in the middle. You see that little bit screw is there in the middle of the spring and touching the little nut. Okay, that's how we mount the sample, hold it to right place. That's most critical and dangerous step for the XPS instrument. Okay, so we're all good now. After that, we just need to come back to the software. All right, this is software. Okay, we played the software earlier here. So you need to right click on the intro image and select take intro photo. Okay. Left click to take intro photo. And then take a minute to update. And after that, okay, you just need to put this cover back. Okay, the cover is here, we carry and put it back. Okay, make sure the cover sit well there. Okay, not in this angle, you have to, because we need pump. Okay, make sure the cover sit well there. And during this whole operation, you're not supposed to touch the camera. We have a little camera here, not supposed to adjust. If you notice the image is blurry, or any other reason, you let me know. I'm going to adjust the camera. Okay. Yeah. After that, after you place the cover back, well, you come to the software again and right click on the image and select pump intro. Okay, if we take a look at the image of the sample amount, so 1, 2, 3, all there. We can put the sample name, we can delete all of them and put sample 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to put sample. So while waiting for the pumping, you can put your sample information there before you leave it for pumping for about 1 hour. So just right click on the place you want and then select create a point. Okay, so you have point 1, you put sample 1. So for this is a sample 3 for me. Okay, so I'm going to put the next one and create point. This is sample 7 for me. And this is a sample 10. Right click and then say sample. Okay. Yeah. So if you have a comment, anything, you can leave it there. But for the sample, the name, please only put alphabet and number or dash, but those can be okay, but no symbol or slash line. If put in that way, the file will not be saved. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So this is all the setting. After that, we just simply wait till pump for 1 hour.